Hello 3D printing friends. The Postal Service dropped this off the other day. It's the Alien3D UFO Mystery Box for December 2019. So today on the BV3D channel we're going to take a look inside and see what the alien resupply mission has brought us. Stick around and we'll get into it right after this. I'm Brian and you are watching BV3D. Hi, welcome back. Hey, if you're new here and you're wanting to learn about cool 3D printer upgrades, 3D modeling, and other 3D printing related stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Okay, so today we are going to see what happiness and joy await us within this month's Alien3D UFO Mystery Box. The Postal Service dropped this off at my door the other day, and that's kind of unusual for them. Normally it ends up in the mailbox cluster, so I'm curious to see what's inside. Now, I've been a UFO Mystery Box subscriber since the very first one, and I kind of cover this every time I do an unboxing, but if you haven't yet heard of it, the Alien3D UFO Mystery Box is a monthly subscription box for 3D printer owners. For US $36 a month, you get 4 20-meter filament samples, a 3D printing related accessory, a project to print and build, and if the project requires electronics or other non-printable parts, those are included in the box. There are usually stickers or swag or coupon codes from various 3D printing companies, usually a bit of candy, and every month one lucky subscriber wins the Mothership Prize, which is a 3D printing related product of much higher value. What was it this month? Well, I peeked on the Alien3D website. It was a PETG Phenom resin printer. As resin printers go, that's got a pretty darn big build volume. Now, I think that's the first time an actual entire printer has been the prize. That doesn't happen every month, but still, that's pretty amazing. So this lovingly decorated gingerbread themed box is literally stuffed full of goodies. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Well, first up, it looks like I've got a Christmas card instead of the usual info card. Now, there used to be a whole trifold brochure in here, but then Josh, the person behind the whole Alien3D thing, went to using a more concise info card that includes a link to the Alien3D site with all the details on the project and the box contents. So let's see what's in the card. Wishing you all the timeless treasures of the holiday season. Happy holidays, Brian. May all your holiday wishes come true. Thank you for your support. Josh, Alien3D. And he works out. Yeah, that's... You need to watch Josh's streams to get that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and set this right over here. Next up, we've got a bag of tiny foam beads. There's a battery box and a fan and a fishbowl looking thing. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Battery operated snow globe. Now inside the fishbowl looking thing is this month's accessory, which appears to be some PET 3D gloop. Like regular 3D gloop, the PET gloop is for gluing 3D printed parts together, but where regular gloop is for PLA, PET gloop is for PETG, or maybe this is pet gloop, kind of like a pet rock. I'll have to find and read the Caring for Your Pet Gloop manual. I wouldn't want it to die. I'll set that aside. And there's a little Shea Street pin. I've been abducted by Alien3D. How cool. Ah, look, an Andes mint. I like those things. And a ZYLtech sticker. Awesome. Well, I guess that's about it. Just kidding. I've saved the filament for last. Now, ZYLtech sponsored this month's UFO, so all 4 samples are ZYLtech SILK PLAs. Let me get these out of the way. There's blue silk PLA, gold silk PLA, Nikko's hot rod red PLA, and ZYLtech silk green PLA. Now these all have the same print temperature ranges. The nozzle is between 200 and 220 degrees C, and the bed is between 35 degrees and 60 degrees C. And these are all very Christmassy colors. I think I'm going to use them to print out a few little decorations, like I Dig 3D's Vase Mode Christmas tree. Now these should all look really great, and I'll tweet these out when I get them done. Let's go ahead and get this stuff packed back up. Get in there, filament. Get in there, gloop. In. Battery box and fan and Shea Street's pin and cool ZYLtech sticker and Andy's mints and beads and card. Try and get that closed. So much stuff. So that's the final Alien3D UFO Mystery Box for the year. I think the filament samples, the projects, and the accessories have been, for the most part, worth the overall cost of the subscription. Yeah, some months the project can be a little bit lean, but then the ones after are better than usual. So, in the long run, this is something that I like getting. If you're interested in the box, go check out the link in the description to the Alien3D website. You can see the ghosts of UFO boxes past, the contents of UFO boxes present, and subscribe to UFO boxes future. I've got a referral code in the description as well, and if you use it, you can save $5 off your first month when you subscribe. And if you do that, I get a $5 credit as well. It's a win-win thing. Well, thanks for making it all the way to the end, and thanks for all the likes, comments, and shares. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any cool 3D printing stuff. If you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down, but either way, please share your thoughts down in the comments. If you like the content that I'm producing and you want to help out, check out the description for ways you can do that. Shopping using the Amazon affiliate link really helps no matter what you're buying, and heck, even just subscribing is a great way to support the channel and help keep me making these videos for you. Well, now that I've got these cool silk filament colors, I'm going to go print something cool and festive. You do the same, and I'll see you next time.